YouTube, what it do? It's your boy Steph. I had a consultation with a guy earlier today. He's from Pakistan, um, and he's been dating this girl for the last 3 to 4 years, right? And in these religions, in these backgrounds, um, when they come to the States, they have these, laws that, don't have sex before marriage, and they try to keep up with the laws and stuff like that, right? So this guy told me they did everything but the penetration, everything but the getting inside the sweet watery guts, right? They did everything. Then she started interrogating him about, wanting to get married and stuff like that. And he had to have some time to think about it. And she continued to block him, right? And she had him blocked for a whole month. And while she had him blocked for a whole month, there was some guy that was delivering food to her job. And the guy that was delivering food to her job, the boyfriend found out that she followed him on Instagram. So the boyfriend questioned the chick, why you follow him on Instagram? Why you messaging him on Instagram? Beta move. But he just needed some clarity because he don't understand. She said, just to message him, just so I know when he's coming with the food for me and my homegirls. Why your homegirls can't message him? Why it gotta be you messaging him? So you know what I say. I say, man, how your chick look? I seen how she look. She's pretty. The next question I ask is, do she got a fat ass? Gotta know. I gotta know if she got a fat ass. He shook his head very astonishingly, like, yeah, Steph, it's fat. So if she's pretty, which I seen, and she is pretty, and she got her fat back there, and she slim thick, dudes is gonna be at her. Dudes is gonna be at her. All right? So let's continue on with the conversation. So we left off where the dude is he's a catering food guy, bringing the food to, to the chick, right? I mean, to the job, right? She found him attractive. We looking at the female net. She found him attractive. That's why she took down his Instagram. So the girlfriend blocks the boyfriend off of everything, right? The boyfriend picks her up one day, right? So he drops off his girl after he picks her up from work, right? She blocks him off of all social media, everything. He tried emailing her, no reply. Tried texting her, no reply. Kept calling her, want to talk her through. Talk her through on what he did that was so wrong, right? No reply. No reply at all, right? And all this started because they was talking. She was talking to him about marriage, and he said he'll think about it. And she didn't like that answer that he gave her, so she blocked him. Right? And he told me they always had these, arguments where, she blocked him and then she gets over it, right? This is a guy that's 20 years young, entrepreneur, right? 6'3", 6'4", right? Could work on his looks a little bit. Okay. So as he drops his girl off, he stays outside in his car. He has her password to the Snapchat and the Instagram. He logs into the Instagram to unblock himself so that he can talk to his girl. But instead of him unblocking himself, he sees him and the guy. Her and the guy. The catering guy. She sees that they're messaging each other. He's reading the messages. They sending nasty memes to each other. But before she went in the house, She told him, I just want to go in the back seat. I just want to start kissing you. I want to get it in. But she's a virgin. He told me because previous times before when they tried to get it in, he said it hurted her. But she's talking to him like as if she wanted to get in the back seat and get it in. Right. He sees the messages of the dude and his chick talking nasty. Then he log into the Snapchat. He sees the same messages. She texts him and say, you found what you looking for? Just treating him like S-H-I-T. Literally. Treating him like he's nothing. Treating him like he's a nobody. Like he's a joke. All right. So as she says that to him, he's thinking in his head, dang, what happened? Did they meet? So I'm on the phone with him and I'm telling him, I'm going to tell you this right now, bro. I know females. And I'm going to tell you one thing. Nature is undefeated. And I'm going to tell all you dudes right now that's listening to this video. I don't care where your woman is from. I don't care if she's from planet Namek. If she has sweet, watery guts, they all get wet. They all have periods in time when they want to get dug out. Or they want to get fingered. Or they want to get played with down there. They all have periods of time when they want to get it in. Sir, don't you ever, ever, ever believe nothing otherwise. What you think she gonna tell you? You think she gonna tell you that she got dug out by him? But she did admit to him that she said that, yeah, we were texting, but we never met. She also told him she hasn't been horny this whole month. A woman that hasn't been horny this whole month is like a man that hasn't ate a meal all month. So that's full of cap. That's full of cap, right? Because you can't mix what you've been brought upon with nature when your sweet watery guts is tingling and you want something filled inside of you, digging you out until you bust. Because when she matched with that dude on Instagram, she wasn't thinking about God and her religion. When she followed him, she wasn't thinking about God and religion. It gets deeper though, fellas. He going through the messages. He click on the message. Not only did they start sending nasty memes, she added him to the close friends. Oh! You think she was thinking about God, her religion, her background? One of the people that work at the medical field where she work at, right? He's like the doctor. He knows her and the boyfriend, whole family. The catering dude know that as well. So he slides up in her DM and say, oh, I'm a close friends now? She said no. Guess what she said after that? Are you going to tell Uncle? Are you going to tell the doctor? Is she thinking about God then? Is she thinking about religion? Or is her sweet, watery guts tingling? Get that shit out of your fucking head! You blue pill beta male ass! Oh, she's religious! Oh, she's a child of God! 2 minutes later, she cheating on her boyfriend with a catering order guy. Because she want to get dug out. She don't want no nice guy. She want to bounce house in the back street, just bust. Boyfriend didn't know that because he wasn't aware of female nature. He didn't know her dark side. Every woman has a dark side, fellas, but you ain't know. If you don't bring out that dark side, another man will. Period. You heard about the story when the dude was afraid of choking his wife? So guess who's gonna choke and stroke your wife? Tyrone. Literally choking and stroking your wife till she busts all over his digging stick. The choice is yours. Either you can believe in the blue pill fantasy or you can understand what the real truth is, G. She added me on her close friend, still had the boyfriend, didn't care, still had the religion that she believed in, didn't matter, didn't care. Still believe in God. She ain't care. She wasn't talking to God then. Talked with him all nasty for a whole month. You think they never met? He telling me on the phone, Steph, I don't think they ever met. Yeah, you think they ain't never met? You think they ain't never met? You think he ain't seen them fat booty cheeks and he ain't want to get inside them booty cheeks? You know how you talk to a woman and you make her guts sweet and watery red when you foreplay and talking to her up here? That make her do anything you want her to do. Because when you control her up here, you can control her down there. Especially when she is your type. See, the boyfriend didn't know that. He's still believing in what the people at Pakistan told him. She's a child of God. Yeah, she's a child that belonged to the streets. And her guts is spilled wide open in the sewers because it's watery down there. Sewer guts. But y'all can think this is a game all you want. Y'all can think that female's not like this all you want. I told y'all the story. I dug out a chick that wore a purity ring on her finger. Went to church and all holy. She texted me, hey Steph, you have the car this weekend? I'm 17, 18. Fresh. Got my license. Her parents out of town, get over there and dig her guts out. The very next day, my boyfriend was at work. So the purity ring is a front because the inevitable, the Thanos plus dark side is nature. Thanos, dark side, and Omni-Man is nature. You can't defeat them. Together, they're impossible to defeat. Jump off a cliff. Bust your head open. Or you can try to fight them. You can try to fight Omni-Man. I mean, you seen what happened, what he did to his son, right? Or you could try to fight Thanos. I mean, you seen what happened, what he did. Iron Man got lucky and did a snap. Thanos beat all their ass. Darkseid. We're not even going to talk about Darkseid. That wasn't even Darkseid in the beginning of the Snyder Cut. All three of them put together, it's female nature. It's the inevitable. It's the impossible. It's always going to happen. There's nothing you can do about it. No religion can stop it. Nothing can stop it. When she got caught. And he told her, you know what? I got too much going on for myself. And I got females in my life that can be in my life that can treat me much better than you treat me. You know what she told him? She tell him, LMA, laughing my butt off. You really have females in your life? I would love to see that. You know why she sent him that? Or for other guys that's going through this situation, you know why she sent you that? Because she see you as a joke. You a joke. You're a nice guy. You're a beta. You're a cuck. She don't see you with no other chicks. That's why other chicks gotta be on you when you got chicks. You think his girl's insecure? What would she be insecure of? Who's the insecure one in this situation? Him. Who's the bitch? No. Who's the bit in the situation? Him. Who's the alpha? Her. Who's the beta? Him. Who cares the most? Him. Steady calling her, steady texting her, steady emailing her. Why she blocking me? Why she blocking me? While she bouncing on package on the catering order guy, digging stick, bouncing with them fat cheeks spread wide open, literally bouncing. So Steph, is there a way that I can get it out of her? Is there a way that I can get it out of her that she can tell me, that she did something? No, women take things to the ground. I'm not saying all women do this now. I'm not saying they all like this. I'm just saying you better watch. And you better be aware. And you never better not be surprised that it might happen to you. Because when somebody is deprived of something, they want it 10 times more. Especially when they ain't getting it at home. Them fat cheeks you got at home and you ain't spread them cheeks wide open, boy, you should be ashamed of yourself. You think another man won't spread them fat cheeks wide open? When she locked eyes on him, she knew that she wanted her. She knew that she wanted him in them fat cheeks. She knew she wanted him in them sweet, watery guts. And there's nothing you can do about it. There's nothing you could have done to stop. That's why she blocked you. So talk to him and multiple other guys. Oh, but when she was sorry, I've been having a talk with God. And she having a talk with God now because she coming back to her senses. And it's all the front. It's all to set you up for you to get baited again. And then she dunk on your ass again. And fucking won.